The fundamental issue that ERDERA is facing is that there are 320 million people living with rare diseases for whom there are no cures. One of the great untapped potentials is the wealth of scientific know-how, knowledge and brilliance in the European Union. And for the first time actually in history, ERDERA is pulling together this mass of expertise to advance cures in rare disease.
Knowing that we have these three main goals, the acceleration of diagnosis, of therapeutic development, and also of measuring the impact of rare disease on patients, families, and society, we advance in all the three domains. So we have launched new funding opportunities. So for example, for the therapies, we have focused our first joint transnational call on the preclinical development, therapeutic development.
Diagnostic is still biggest challenging because we need to be faster. We know horrible statistic that 30% of the patients die before 5th birthday.
We are focusing on accelerating diagnosis of undiagnosed people, and within 1 year we were able to collate 10,000 different data sets for undiagnosed patients.
The main achievement is that ERDERA is now widely known in the community. Secondly, it has contributed to, I would say, several calls which were highly subscribed and are already making an impact. And thirdly, I would say its focus on underrepresented countries in Europe, and equity in terms of rare disease research and diagnostics. And this is really very valuable.
There is a necessity to understand that whilst ERDERA is based, funded by, and ultimately driven by the power of the European Union, its reach has to be global. And the impact of ERDERA is by necessity international.
So we can take the current political context and challenge as an opportunity and demonstrate that rare diseases are pioneering.
A critical part of the ERDERA looking forward concept is to understand that the future horizon is extraordinary and we have to build the capacity to realize it.